Imran at Toronto, downtown condos.com, introducing Canary Park Condos, North Tower, 120 Bayview Avenue, Toronto, corner of Front and Cherry, actually. These are Distillery District condos, 11-story North Tower, 9-foot high ceilings, built strong and solid, certified building, fully integrated kitchen and appliances, open concept living areas, floor to ceiling curtain windows. Just a magnificent condo to live in. Beautiful, gorgeous prices that will increase in the future. Fair and square bedrooms, downtown views, ensuite bathrooms, balconies with views of downtown Toronto, or Canary Park Commons, outdoor pool, gym, meeting room, party room. They do have a theater room as well. This condo is fully loaded. Please call me direct at 416-670-6588. Email me, Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com, for further information, current property list, and upcoming condos and condo towns in the area. Once again, the number is 416-670-6588. Email is Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com. Thank you so much for listening.